In today's quick guide video, I'll show you how to reset your Deepseek password. If you forgot the password of your account and you're trying to now reset it, let me show you the quick steps that you need to follow. Now first things first, if you are logged into your Deepseek account and you're now trying to reset the password, you need to first of all log out. So head over to the settings and tap on the log out button and head over to continue with password. Now this is the section where you'll be able to reset and create a new password. Tap on the forgot password link. This way you'll be able to type in the email address or the phone number that is connected or that is linked with your Deepseek account. So type in your email address or your password and then tap on send code. Now a code will be sent either to your email address or your phone number depending upon what you use. You just need to type in the code and then tap on continue. Once you've now done that, this is the section where you can now create and reset your password. So type in the new password that you'd like and then confirm it on the bottom. Make sure the password is strong by including numbers, letters and special characters. Make sure both of these passwords match and then you can tap on reset password. As soon as you do that, your password would be reset and you can now head back to the login page and then type in the new password that you created to successfully log in back. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.